Hello everyone! Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be looking at a glitch in the map assembly. Let's see. So, see assembly. Guys, I think I just found something broken about this obby. Where did the thing go? It's not there. How am I supposed to jump all the way to that? It's invisible. I tried jumping on it, but it's not there. Okay, guys. Let's continue to wait to assemble. Wait a minute. The rope is there. That's where it is. What the heck? That is weird. How'd that happen? Okay, guys. This is taking a lot longer than I thought.
My survivor celebrations down there. There's his head.
Quick announcement. Celebration's coming to me.
When is it assembled?
Wow. Just as I say that, look in the chat.
Yep, I'm still waiting.
Just to get you started on the glitch, to do it, you're gonna need to have the Tix bag or money bag as a social gear and have it equipped. So, just saying, that's what you need for the glitch.
Yes, I'm still waiting. It's been like 20 minutes now.
21. Now I'm finding different servers for assembly. Finally, assembly. Where is it? Let's see. No! This server is even weirder because there's two now that are actually missing. Also, when you do the glitch in assembly, you also need to be a survivor. Guess what? I'm still waiting. Well, guys, let's see if I'm better or not, and I can finally do the glitch. Well, guys, I can finally show you what glitch I am talking about. So, first you need to be survivor, of course, and you need to have the Tix or money bag, probably Tix. You need to climb up here. Let's just do that real quick. You need to go to the Hospital Nightmare place. Not go in, but this place. Just keep doing this. So close. Almost there. Almost there, guys. It takes a while. My Tix is up there. Wait just a moment. There we go. So, we're up here now. We're on top of the map. As you can see, we could survive around here because Bear won't know where I am. We could actually explore out here. It's a really cool spot to hide in. I just thought it was cool to share. Well, there's also a couple other glitches you could do, just I don't know them. Just come down real quick. I don't know where any of the other glitches are, but yeah, that's basically. There's also another glitch you need to do for Bear, which I'll show you too. Oh, I'm already here. I don't know if it's just Bear or not, but you usually just jump on the windows and you're up there. But I already went up there. And also there's a secret in this map. Need to go in here. The secret is in here. Just go in here. Oh, that's where the color code goes. PUGBIPI. The glitch I just did was just the only glitch I knew about assembly, and well, it's a pretty cool spot, so you should try it for yourself. Well, that's basically it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye bye.